Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram Restyle something went wrong error. So if you are getting the something went wrong error, change anything about your photo when applying the Restyle features in Instagram app, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to check for the Instagram app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram and search for it and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this Instagram app, then update it, then go back. Next, clear cache and data. So tap and hold the Instagram app icon, click on more features and then click on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then tap on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then click on clear data. But please take a note, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings that will be deleted permanently from this device. So if we agree, only then tap on delete to confirm. Now go back. Now just restart your device once, and after your device restart, then open the Instagram app. Then you can upload any picture or click any picture, and then click on this arrow icon and then click on Restyle option, and then you can apply the Restyle option. For example, let's take this prism portrait. Just wait, it is applying the Restyle features, and you can see that Restyle is working properly in my Instagram app. So I hope you can easily fix Instagram Restyle something went wrong problem by following these steps. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can also log out and log in from your Instagram app. So simply sign out of your account and then log in back and then check if your problem is solved or not. And if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. So tap and hold the Instagram app icon, then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to uninstall it. Then just restart your device, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram, and then you can click on install button to reinstall Instagram, and then you can launch the Instagram app, log into your account, and then check if Restyle feature is working or not. And if still your problem is not solved, then you can also report the bug via the report features in the Instagram app, or you can also wait for 24 to 48 hours. This problem will get fixed by itself, as it could be a server side bug. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Instagram Restyle something went wrong error on Instagram app. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.